Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm really excited because we're diving into one of the most talked about compact performance cars of the year, the 2025 BMW M2. This car has always been the gateway into BMW's M lineup, and the new model continues to deliver that raw driver-focused experience while mixing in modern technology and aggressive styling. Let's start with the design. The 2025 M2 carries over the bold and boxy proportions introduced in the previous generation, but sharpens them with new details. The front end has that wide, squared kidney grille with large air intakes that hint at the performance underneath. The sculpted hood, flared wheel arches, and muscular rear haunches make the car look planted even when it's standing still. Around the back, you get quad exhaust pipes, a subtle lip spoiler, and updated LED taillights that give it a modern signature. BMW also offers a range of new colors and wheel options, so you can really make the car stand out to your taste. Stepping inside, the interior is unmistakably BMW, but with a sportier edge. You're greeted by the curved dual-screen setup that combines a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment display running BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system. It's responsive, loaded with features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus over-the-air updates. The cabin is trimmed with high-quality materials, from Alcantara and carbon fiber accents to optional M Sport seats with illuminated logos. Even though this is a performance coupe, the rear seats are usable for short trips, and the trunk offers decent practicality, which makes the M2 surprisingly versatile. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the M2 really shines. Under the hood sits a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine producing around 473 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. Power goes to the rear wheels through either a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed automatic, giving enthusiasts the choice they want. 0 to 60 comes in around 3.9 seconds with the automatic, making it seriously quick for its size. The chassis has been tuned by BMW's M division, so you get adaptive suspension, precise steering, and incredible balance. It's a car that feels alive on a twisty road, but still comfortable enough for daily driving. As for pricing, the 2025 BMW M2 starts at roughly $64,000 in the US, with options pushing it closer to $70,000 or more if you go heavy on carbon fiber packages and premium features. For what you get, true M performance, modern technology, and that classic BMW driving feel, it remains one of the best values in the performance coupe segment.